Hi guys, lovely autumn day in the UK. If you're wondering why my eyes look like in the snow, it's because I've been up since 4 AM and I wanted to make a video but I wouldn't have bothered because I'm too tired, but I've just found something else really interesting that I wanted to show you, so check this out. We're back on the trail of the big cats again. Well, they're on my trail. So this is my mum's garden. It's a little bit overgrown again. If you watched my other video, I cut all this back about 8 weeks ago and it's all grown back anyway, so I'll have to do it again. That's my bedroom window, and over that fence is where we had all the fox activity. Well, my neighbours have rehomed their chicken because they couldn't get their pen secure enough to keep the foxes out. This chair's about to fall to pieces. So their chicken pen is down there. Which is now empty. And I had those rocks there to throw at the foxes because they kept breaking into the pen and killing the chickens. Anyway, more significantly, I looked out my window the other day. I heard activity at night, like what I thought was something moving in the garden or something jumping over a fence or something. And I stopped watching my YouTube video because I'm up late most nights messing about on YouTube. And I listened and I couldn't hear anything, and carried on doing what I was doing. And then when I got up in the morning, I found this. Check this out. So literally within 15 feet of my bedroom window, looks like something's been sleeping in the garden. Got a patch of grass about, I don't know, maybe 3 foot square, but not very square, which has been completely flattened, look. And that looks to me like something sleeping in the garden. I've seen grass do that in bad weather when it's very windy. But we haven't had bad weather or wind for about a month, and that's only been like that for about 3 days. There's a definite line around the outside, look. If you're standing there, you get some context of the size of it. And then I was just wandering about, thought I'd come out and have a look at it and maybe film it, and I found what I think might be paw prints. I could be wrong, but have a look anyway and see what you think. So that's that strange area of flat grass. To me it looks like something's been sleeping there, but I can't say I've seen anything. I quite often look out the window at night. Anyway, I was looking around the floor here. That's my mum's window in my car. She's always got that open wide like that at night because she likes loads of fresh air. And I was looking around here and I found some disturbed ground. It didn't really look like a paw print, but it looked like something had scratched it up. So I stood on it, just trod it down again like that. And there was a hole here, which I don't know what made that. Looks like something's been pressed into the ground, and I trod on that as well. I've just seen ants come out of there, so it looks like it could be an ant. an ant hole, that one. And there was some more stuff raised up here which I trod down, and then I saw this. Now I'm not sure, but that looks like a paw print to me. Doesn't look very fresh because we haven't had wet weather lately. And there's my thumb. It's obviously too big to be a tabby cat. It's too big to be a fox. It's not big enough to be a panther or a puma, but it could be a big cat hybrid. So we can get some better light on it. I'm not sure it is a paw print, but you can see like toe marks, possibly a heel mark. It's about 2.5 inches across. The length of my thumb, so I don't know really. Haven't found any other paw prints around here. We get quite a lot of ants, so we get these holes around, but I don't know. I haven't noticed anything else. Just thought it was interesting, so I thought I'd document it to show you. I don't know. Could be a paw print. Anyway, lovely day. Just wish I'd got a bit more sleep last night. And I can't stand getting up at 4 o'clock and then you can't get back to sleep. Just makes a really long drawn out day. But yeah, just waiting for the sleep fairy to come and take me back to heaven, because I seem to have got a bit off the beaten track today. Anyway, if you've had anything like that, any oddities, odd sounds or paw prints or areas of flat grass in your garden, please leave it in the comments or get in touch with me on the about page, because I'd love to hear your version of the events. So I've just spoken to my mum, back indoors now obviously, and she reckons it's where she was pulling up weeds, doing some gardening earlier. So she could be right. I'm not convinced, but who knows, eh? The weeds definitely weren't making calling noises the other night. So anyway, I'm knackered, so I'll catch you on the next one. Right, check out the playlist here with all my big cat videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Lovely. No, I think we're on the air trail. That's my little video. Thanks very much for watching.